Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today we are going to give you a quick heads up on a new refresh to the interface to your Gemini app. So we are going to gemini.google.com. Let's show you around. You'll notice that when you come into the screen, it will now say, "What can I help you with your name there. In the middle, the prompt bar looks significantly different. You will see in the middle of our screen that there is the plus symbol, which is now just a condensed menu of the plus and the tools menu that you had before. All the same stuff that you're used to doing of uploading files, adding files from Drive. The more uploads is where they've added the import code in your Notebook LM notebooks. You'll also see that you have create image, video, the canvas, one of my favorite tools, deep research, creating music, and guided learning. Just to the right side of that, you'll see the models. So the Flash model is going to be your fast thinking all around help. The thinking does a little bit more complex, deeper dive. And then the 3.1 Pro, the advanced math and kind of a deep dive there. You'll also see that you still have your microphone to be able to do your mental vomit of your entire type of dialogue prompt that you would like to do. Remember, the more, the better. And then to the left side of the screen is where you see the other change. You'll now see the colored Gemini icon in the upper left. This just hides the sidebar on that left side of the screen. You'll be able to see in the upper left corner, new chat, search chats, your search history and previous results, images, so you can go right to that image piece, the videos, the library that used to be called My Stuff. So this is things that is going to be the media that you've created, as well as any documents that maybe you have exported. And then lastly, your gems. So that's what you're going to see in the new interface change. Now also you'll see in this lower left corner of the screen, the gear icon for your settings. Not a lot has changed there, but there is a little bit of a change. You'll see that there is activity. There is connected apps, so you can connect your other applications, which they are currently still adding things. Your scheduled actions, your gems, that is going to be another piece that you can utilize from there. Then you'll also see your public links that you can share your different searches with others, as well as theme and your Notebook LM. So I just wanted to give you that heads up. If you do not see this new refreshed interface, then you may need to either refresh your screen or, the end all be all, empty your cookies and cache from your Chrome browser. And also with that, don't forget to do the one thing that everybody seems to miss: change your time period from the past hour to all time, and that should reset everything. I thought I would just give you the quick heads up on that new refresh to the Gemini app interface. Until we meet again, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Triple G, Gary the Google Guy, signing off.